You guys feeling my bunny ears? Well, they're not bunny ears. You guys feeling my bear ears? They're so cute. I love these things. I don't know why I bought it, but thanks for tuning into my channel. It is 2019, so you know that brings all the new things, new year, new me kind of thing. But for me, I challenged myself not to buy makeup in the whole month of January. And yes, it has been hard, like really hard, seeing as Fenty Beauty just came out with a whole new line. But hey, we're not gonna go there. I contained myself. I didn't go to Ulta, didn't go to Sephora, haven't bought anything. I looked, but I didn't buy. So yeah, so in this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and shoot a makeup tutorial of all the things of 2018. Well, not all the things. Some of the makeup items that I'm just not letting go of. I just refuse to. They worked for me in 2018, and I just felt like, hey, I'm bringing them into 2019. So just keep watching, stay tuned, and again, like, share, subscribe, and continue to watch. Look, if you want a description of anything that I'm wearing, please look in the description box below. Don't forget to like while you're looking, and also subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos coming out in the future, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I gotta tell mine, I gotta